Now that we are stepping into 2023, and I'm posting this video the first week of January, I've had so many people ask me if you're going to have a crash in real estate market just like what we saw back in 2008. Based on my research and the data that supports my theory, I say no. This is a market, not a crash, this is a market correction. Stay tuned to hear more about the facts. My name is Sanjay. I'm a local realtor in Orange County, California, but I also serve my clients in Riverside, Los Angeles, and parts of San Diego. If you have any questions or need help or guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help in any way possible. Question: is the market going to crash? I would like to take you all back to 2008 to see what happened and the data behind that. Going back a little over a decade ago, home prices fell by 33%, and at the time we saw close to 2.9 million properties were foreclosed on just on 2010 alone. And this in turn crashed the home prices by 33%. Again, I'm going by with what the data tells me. No assumptions, no suggestions, pure facts. As of now, we are close to 100,000 homes getting foreclosed on, and that is far from 2.9 million. I want you to know that in real estate, there are seasonality. Generally speaking, homes will sell for a higher price in May, June, July, and August. Slower months for real estate are October, November, and December. That being said, let's compare the last 3 years of data. For the median sale price, and according to this chart, home prices are up 0.7% year over year. But I'll let you decide with the information I share if the market is going to crash or not. Home prices fell from a year earlier. 17 of the most populous U.S. metros fell 9% year over year in San Francisco, 6.5% in San Jose, and 6% in LA, and 3.7% in Sacramento, Oakland, and less than 2% in Anaheim and in Riverside as well. Alright, so let's talk about the current situation. Inflation got out of control. Thanks to Federal Reserve is trying to fix their mistake by increasing the interest rates. As you see in this chart here, blue line is 30-year fixed, green is 15-year fixed, and on December 30 of last year, the average interest rate is 6.42%. As of 29 last year, it went up from 6.27%. The 30-year fix a year ago, it is 3.11%. 15-year fixed average is 5.68%, and a year ago it was 2.33%. The data is sourced from Freddie Mac. To put things into perspective, I got the numbers from Mortgage Calculator just in front of me. For an average loan, not factoring in taxes, insurance, and HOA, if you're buying a property worth $750,000, 5% interest rate is close to $4,026. So of course, high interest rates will decrease demands and slow down the real estate market. This is up by almost 37% since 2020. That is because it is so expensive to borrow money to buy a home, and this is going to cool down the real estate market. Less sellers are looking to sell. Less supply pushes the prices up, and that's just how we are not seeing a market crash. Now let's take a look at how we're doing with new homes coming up into the market. As you see, gray line is 2020, red is 2022, blue is 2021. We're down by 22% year over year based on the chart sourced by Redfin. Active listings, this went up 18% year over year based on the chart sourced by Redfin. Let's now discuss the real estate forecast. According to experts, the housing market will continue to deteriorate in 2023. This is due to a hesitation of both buyers and sellers to make a purchase. Although it is anticipated to rise, the supply of new homes will likely remain low. This is what Morgan Stanley predicts: a 10% drop in housing prices from the mid-2022 of last year to the early 2024 of next year. And hence, Morgan Stanley is predicting housing correction. Let's talk about the forecast of interest rates to progressively decline and reach 5.8% this year, or maybe end of the year. So pay attention to this. Federal Reserve will shortly stop rising interest rates. Next, the Federal is predicted to raise interest rates by 0.5% before pausing, and they anticipated to meet up in March 22nd or May 3rd. Again, this is all, of course, listed on the website. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you find this useful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting a video on real estate every single week. I don't want you to miss out on any important information. If you do disagree with any of my assessments, please feel free to comment below. If you do, you have a wonderful day. Again, this is Sanjay. I'm a local realtor in California. You have a wonderful day. Take care.